Does my company need a corporate uniform? Well, of course, it does. No matter what industry or size of business you are involved with, there are many advantages to wearing a uniform at work. The advantages will be felt by the management, staff, and customers. Professionalism. A good, strong first impression is essential to gaining new customers. What every business must do to succeed. The best first impression is maintaining a professional look with a proper attire. A well-thought-of work uniform that reinforces your brand strategy and sets your business apart from competitors in your market space. Trustworthy. A branded uniform instills a sense of trust and credibility in the company and its abilities. Customers perceive employees who wear branded workwear, take greater pride in their work, and are therefore more capable of providing better products and services. Surely, if the company providing the service has taken the time to implement uniforms, it also takes time to train and develop its staff. Employee psychology. Employees work more professionally when wearing branded work attire. It's a psychological effect of wearing custom branded uniforms, which make your employees feel they are face of your business. Walking advertisements. A work uniform is basically a walking advertisement for your business. Every person who walks past outside of the company will see the uniform, company logo, and company name. This helps to build brand awareness and company exposure. Team building. A key advantage in a company uniform is the staff morale and camaraderie. When people wear the same type of work clothing, they feel they are part of a team. It instills a sense of belonging and pride in the job and the company. Uniforms level the playing field, and no matter where you sit in the chain of command, you feel valued in a greater sense of team spirit. Time saving. Today, our lives seem so much more hectic with previous generation. We'll look to simplify areas of our life that we can fit in more. A branded uniform is one such way to do so. Where there is no uniform, management must implement a dress code, which means time spent on deciding what it is and enforcing it. For the staff, it means time spent shopping for an appropriate workwear wardrobe. A uniform means all team members know exactly what they are wearing each day and don't waste time working out what to put on each morning. Time to change? What better way to energize your team and brand reputation than changing uniforms? New colors, new style to complement changing times and trends. Core values and reliable team members remain the same, but can have a new refreshing outlook with trendy uniforms to match. Browse through Trustworthy.com.ph for an extensive selection of ready-made garments that can be custom printed within a day. Creating uniforms has never been this easy with our online product designer. Log on to Trustworthy.com.ph to create your free account to upload your logos and designs, save and share them, approve codes, and retrieve your purchase history. Call our sales team for a quick code and multiple mock-ups. We'll find the perfect way to put it on your custom apparel. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching!